Hey there, my name is Karen Jones, Content Editor for the Society of Technical Analysts. Today we're looking at dollar Polish zloty, not one I normally look at, but it's just so interesting technically, I kind of had to have a look at it. First thing I want to point out is this very long-term uptrend on the monthly chart going back to 2014. So this is a 10-year uptrend and we've just bounced from it. Now this currently is located around 385. So while we're underpinned here, you have to assume that this thing remains in a bull trend. Then if we switch to the weekly chart, we can also see the market has recently held on a closing basis above lows that we've seen since January 2022. So we had a low here, a low here. We tested it several times here and it has held on a weekly closing basis. So again, that is quite positive. And then we switch to the daily chart and we think that could well be an inverse head and shoulders pattern developing. Well, it's developed, it's actually completed, we're through the neckline. So definition of an inverse head and shoulders is that there is a prior trend in place, i.e. in this case a downtrend. You have a left shoulder, a head and a right shoulder. They complete when you close through the neckline. And as you can see, this one has actually done a return to point of breakout from the neckline. Beauty of these patterns are it gives you an upside measured target. So this one is around 402 down to around 388, which is roughly 14 big figures on the top side, so that will give you a target around 414. So we have the 200-day moving average coming in at 411.17 en route. So fairly decent upside still on there, and it does look like this is a fairly well positioned to move higher now. Thanks very much.